Ryan, what's another?
Key fob replacement.
Oh my gosh, create some value for me.
Have you ever lost a key before?
I have.
You know how expensive they are to replace?
Well, I don't know how expensive they are to replace, but the leasing company charged me $400 for it.
There you go. With our warranty.
There you go.
There it is.
So you know how expensive it is.
I do.
So if you get one of our Motor Trend certified vehicles,
Or a new Mercedes-Benz, or a new Subaru.
right? We'll cover the first 2 replacements for your key fobs if you lose 2 of them in 6 months.
Okay, so you'll buy me a new key fob.
Up to $800, right?
Well,
900.
so you'll buy me a new key fob. Well, what if I need a locksmith?
We'll cover that too.
What if I need a Uber ride?
We'll cover that too.
What if I need some other keys that I lost in my key ring?
That's your own problem.
No, you'll pay up to $200 for other keys on the key ring.
Oh, wow. We'll cover
Okay.
that too.
Yeah, how about it? This is wild, isn't it? Okay, Mo, what's another one?
Windshield repair.
Windshield repair. Help me see some value in that.
So, I mean, I'm very sure you will be driving on the freeway,
Yes.
here and there, and things happen usually,
You've got more 18-wheelers in this area than any place I've ever been in the United States, okay? I've never seen so many 18-wheelers in my entire life. So, what are those 18-wheelers liable to do?
So, there's the rock is gonna be flying out of those semi-trucks. And,
Yep.
Big chance to hit one time, while you're driving, your windshield. So, we'll repair the windshield as not as big as the size of the cradle. And,
That will keep my windshield from cracking all the way across to the point where I have to replace the windshield, won't it?
Yes.
that's right, yeah.
Yes,
It will.
because if I have to replace it, then I have to file an insurance claim, I have to pay a deductible, and my insurance will go up, right? Damn, I hate that. But it's not gonna happen because you're here to help me, aren't you?
Absolutely.
Okay, good, thank you, Mo. And what's another one, Paula?
And one more question about the windshield repair, is it unlimited too?
Say again?
Is it unlimited too?
Unlimited, yeah, but there's only so many stars or cracks you can get in a windshield before it's gotta be replaced,
Okay.
okay?
Does it only cover stars, not cracks?
No, it'll cover a crack too, as long as it's no bigger than a quarter.
Gotcha.
Once it gets bigger than that, they can't use that, whatever process they use, it won't work. Paula, what's another one?
Roadside assistance.
What is roadside assistance? I've given you the easiest one on the planet.
Well, it's covering your towing, jumping, if you run out of gas, anywhere in the US, right?
In Canada.
In Canada.
In Canada. How about flat tire? Will they come out and fix my flat tire?
Yes, you will.
They will.
And then you'll get it for 6 months in the 7,500 mile winter.
Okay, good. All right, Campbell, is there anything else on that page, anything else?